How to remove restricted mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the Settings and Privacy option you see there, and now in the Settings and Privacy page, under the Account tab, tap on the Privacy option you see there. You will then see the option for messaging. Tap on that and now go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for safe mode. And with this, the restricted mode will be disabled. So this is how you can disable restricted mode on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.